see how the space looked before and how it looks now after the transformation. If you're starting the interior design of your own home, you might be asking the same question: where should the furniture go, and how do you make the layout work? That was exactly the situation with this home designed for one of our clients. So, in this transformation, you'll see how this home was carefully planned and furnished using Japandi interior design to create a balanced and comfortable living environment. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. For the living area, the goal is to create a space that feels comfortable for relaxing and gathering while still keeping the layout open and easy to move around. Start by establishing the base finishes of the room. The walls and ceiling are finished with a soft beige paint color, which helps the space feel brighter and visually larger. On the floor, warm wood plank flooring adds natural warmth to an open-plan home. Once the base finishes are set, you can add furniture and decor pieces to the seating area. But first install vertical fluted wall panels to help the wall appear taller while adding texture and warmth to the space. Now, in front of this wall sits a curved sectional sofa that creates a comfortable seating area where you can spend time together. Layer it with neutral accent pillows, which introduce small variations in color and texture. At the center, a round wood coffee table helps improve circulation, making it easier to move around the furniture. It can be a surface to place minimal decor pieces, such as small plants and stacked books. You can add a soft neutral area rug to visually group the seating furniture together. To balance the sofa, a boucle lounge chair adds an additional comfortable seating option. You can add more character to the wall using a set of abstract wall art, which introduces color and personality to the space. For the main ceiling light, you might choose a woven pendant light that spreads warm light across the seating area. Then install light vertical blinds on the glass door, allowing natural light to enter the room while still maintaining privacy. At the front wall of the seating area, this becomes your entertainment area. You might consider a feature wall that combines vertical wood slats with a marble panel accent, highlighted with integrated LED lighting. This design creates a layered look that draws attention to the center of the wall. Mounted in the middle is the flat-screen TV, which keeps the floor area clear and maintains a clean and modern appearance. Below it, you can place a media console cabinet that provides storage for electronics and everyday items. Simple decorative objects placed on the console help complete the styling. To bring natural life into the space, tall indoor plants can be added. They soften the straight lines of the furniture and introduce a refreshing natural element. Beside the TV wall, a wall-mounted shelving unit provides vertical storage for decor pieces and collectibles without occupying too much floor space. So now, the living room becomes a comfortable and well-balanced space where people can relax, entertain, and spend time together. The estimated total cost is around $2,500 to $3,000, depending on the furniture selections. Similar pieces used can be found in the product tags below. If your home uses an open layout like this one, defining the dining area becomes important so the space feels organized instead of empty or disconnected. One simple way to visually expand the space is to install a large grid mirror panel. They reflect light and help the area feel brighter and more spacious. At the center of the space, you can place a wood oval dining table. This shape allows easier circulation around the furniture while keeping the layout balanced. Around the table, you can use curved, upholstered dining chairs. These provide comfortable seating while maintaining a soft and welcoming look. You can install a woven pendant light that brightens the dining area while also helping visually anchor the table. To complete the space, you can add simple greenery to soften the room and introduce a natural touch. Near the archway, you can place a birdcage accent if you have a pet bird, as this creates visual interest to the corner. Install full-height layered curtains. The tall windows emphasize the height too much, but fabric softens the vertical scale. With these pieces combined, the dining area becomes a comfortable place for everyday meals and gatherings. The estimated total cost for this dining setup is around $1,700 to $1,900. In this bedroom, the focus shifts toward comfort, smart storage, and a calm atmosphere that helps the space feel relaxing and organized. When planning your own bedroom, it helps to start by creating a clear focal point. In this design, vertical fluted wall panels are installed to introduce warmth and subtle texture. At the center sits a low upholstered platform bed, which keeps the room feeling open while providing a comfortable sleeping area. Layered bedding and neutral accent pillows add softness and comfort while maintaining a calm and cohesive color palette. Underneath the bed, a soft, neutral bedroom rug helps ground the sleeping area and adds warmth underfoot. You can place low wooden nightstands on both sides of the bed to provide space for everyday items such as books, small decor pieces, or personal accessories. Mounted above the tables, minimal wall sconces provide soft ambient lighting that makes the bedroom feel more relaxing in the evening. Above the headboard, a pair of abstract wall art pieces adds character and balances the vertical lines of the fluted panels. Across the opposite wall, you can install a full-height wardrobe cabinet to maximize vertical storage. It keeps clothing organized while maintaining a clean and streamlined look. On the other side of the room, you can create a workspace or vanity area. A floating desk with a full-height backlit mirror creates a compact workstation and grooming station while keeping the floor area visually light. Paired with the desk is an upholstered vanity chair that provides comfortable seating while maintaining the soft aesthetic of the room. Near the corner, you can add a curved lounge chair with a small side table to create a quiet reading or relaxation spot. Finally, light vertical blinds allow natural daylight to enter the room while still providing privacy. Now, the bedroom becomes a calm, organized, and comfortable space designed for rest and everyday routines. The estimated total cost for this bedroom setup is around $4,300 to $4,600, depending on the furniture selections and finishes you choose. If you're planning to redesign your own home, these same ideas can help you create a space that feels more functional, comfortable, and visually balanced. This project also shows that even with a modest budget, thoughtful planning can completely transform how a home looks and functions. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.